Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. Today, we're going to learn about how to add more detail on your generated picture in Stable Diffusion. We are going to use Add More Details, Detail Enhancer from Lycon in civitai.com. Link on the description. Whether you use Automatic 1111, Forge or Comfy, you could do this as long as it has access to LoRa. In this example, I use Forge because it is faster, but Automatic 1111 should be able to do this. If you use Comfy, refer to how to use LoRa in Comfy and adjust from there. Now I will tell you a great LoRa model that could do this. You could use Add More Details, Detail Enhancer created by Lycon. You could access civitai.com and the link is on the video description. Download the model and put it on your LoRa models folder. Its default location is in web/UI/models/LoRa. Now to use it, we're going to make a prompt first. You could use any prompt to generate anything, from character, male or female, animal, building, and any other thing. Now use the LoRa weight here, adjusting to whatever you want. The creator suggests to use weight from 0.5 to 1, but you could also use minus LoRa to reduce detail. Here are some examples. Remember that this will not change your picture entirely, but only added many little things. Also, it seems too much weight will somehow make your picture somehow feel dirtier. If you experience that, reduce the weight. Also, it might work differently with different model. So do your experiment. You could also combine LoRa with this. Here, an example of using other LoRa. Sailor, Mercury, LoRa. Android 18 LoRa. Chi, Satonaka LoRa. Be careful when using LoRa. If you add non-existing LoRa, this LoRa will not work. For example, when you write your LoRa name wrong on the prompt, the more detailed LoRa also stop working. Also, this LoRa could work with anime or cartoon model. Here are an example. The final thing I'm going to say is that this LoRa is really great, and I actually like the -1 LoRa. It makes my picture more simple and more clean, so reducing detail is also great here. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.